Hello and welcome to another Acumatica demonstration. Today we're going to be taking a look at multi-company financial reporting tools in Acumatica. Today's demonstration is led by Ewan Miller, an expert here at Rubech IT in the field of business information and digital transformation across a vast array of industries. The following footage is taken from one of our Lunch and Learn sessions, which you can get involved in if you're interested by emailing us at contactus@rubech.tech or by connecting with us on LinkedIn, which you can find in the description of this video.
This demo system, I said before, has got 3 companies and 4 branches. I've worked at different companies in the past where financial consolidation across different companies has been problematic. In some instances, the companies have extracted the information out of the ERP system into Excel or another system to ensure the data gets consolidated to produce a balance sheet, profit and loss, or even a cash flow statement. I've also seen companies pull the data actuals out of a system and then compare it to a budget offline in Excel. Now, this exercise takes days to do. Acumatica makes it easy. I'm going to go into a profit and loss here. So I'm going to run it for the actual ledger and for the current financial period, and then click Run Report. So here's the profit and loss. I've got year to date, period to date. So this covers what's happened in the last year, financial year. This is what happened in the current month. Note that each of the figures are in blue font, which means I can drill into them, which means I can click on period to date. And this shows me the detail of each of the accounts and the sub-accounts. I can then further drill into a sub-account. It'll take me to the transactions I made at that account. I can further drill into the batch number, which will take me to the source transaction. Not only that, this icon here shows me the grouping. When I toggle it, I'm looking at a consolidated report. That means I'm looking at the financial information for all companies and all branches. But I can quickly flip to see what it is for product company or services company. Or I can even drill down right down to the branch. Let's look at another profit and loss. I can look at a profit and loss for a rolling 12-month period. Again, it's the same profit and loss, but now I'm looking at the last 12 months. And again, I can quickly flip between the different branches. I can run a profit and loss for an annual comparison. Compare last year to this year. And the period to date for last year against this year. Note it showed me the total amount for this period and the same period for last year. So that'll be October last year. And also the percentage change for every single line item. I can run a profit and loss by product. So here we're looking at the same profit and loss, but classed by product. So consumer goods, electronics, food items, industrial equipment, services, software, widgets, others. Acumatica has got a built-in financial report software, which allows you to basically create any type of financial report by creating row-level items, which map to the general ledger, and column items that map to the dimensions, whether that be time or company, branch, product. Profit and loss by branch. We want to compare the branches. Each of these reports could be printed in PDF, sent by email within Acumatica, or exported to Excel. One final profit and loss I'm going to run is the profit and loss versus period to date budget. Acumatica has got quite sophisticated budget capabilities. The first column is the period to date, and then we have budget period to date. I can drill down into period to date, This shows me the budget for each of the accounts and the sub-accounts for this period. I can then drill again, and it'll show me the budget records. So you can see all the accounts, the sub-accounts, the description, the total amount to be budgeted, and then the budget by each of the financial periods. So we can measure a year to date, a period to date against the budget year to date or budget period to date. You can do a similar thing for the balance sheet yearly comparison. We're comparing the balance sheet from 2023, our current financial year, against 2022, our last year. And this reports a variance, and then we can see the variance as a percent.
Thank you for listening to this demonstration. If you're interested in learning more about how Acumatica can transform your business, or if you're interested in getting involved in our Lunch and Learns, please follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Like I said, the links are in the description. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you should see a link on screen for. Additionally, if you're interested in scheduling a free personalized demonstration to see how Acumatica can transform your business, send us an email at contactus@rubech.tech. Thank you and have a great day.